Currently, there are more than 500,000 kids that are diagnosed with type 1 diabetes in the world, and the number is increasing every year. Insulin pump is the most effective way of dealing with type 1 diabetes. Most of the children with this illness carry an insulin pump and thus face the challenge of free movement, which can cause kids lower self-esteem and even obesity problem in the future. If the pump is detached from the body for a long amount of time, it can cause dangerous health condition or the kid could fall into coma. Needless to say, the device is visible all the time and kids are discriminated against because of it and often are subjected to bullying. Is there anything that we can do to help? There is. Our Pocket Hero is an innovative clothing particularly designed for children with diabetes. Special Pocket ensures safe carrying of insulin pump and more freedom of movement. Thanks to these pockets, the device is integrated inside and not visible. By wearing these pockets, the children can experience an easier integration into society and have a better life quality. The growth of diabetic patients in US is worrisome, and parents seek to find devices which do not affect the physical and mental growth of the children due to the compromise in terms of mobility and carrying issues. The company with its unique idea can hit out the emotional aspect of this problem and gain loyal users in terms of parents who do not want to compromise with the children's growth. Our marketing strategy is based around fun events and targeted advertising. We plan on conducting a mini marathon for children of appropriate age group on National Diabetic Day, that is 14th of November. We would encourage diabetic as well as non-diabetic people to participate in the marathon. The healthy children would have to carry something of the similar weight as the insulin pump so they can experience what the patient feels all their life. Possibly this could increase care among their peers and curb bullying by some extent. We plan on using Coco Monkey, a Disney character who suffers from type 1 diabetes, as the mascot for marathon, as the children could relate to it more. Apart from advertising on our social media platform, we would urge celebrities who suffer from type 1 diabetes to spread the word about the event, and we would try to achieve the world record for most number of diabetic patients participating in a marathon. Subsequently, we'll showcase our product and give merchandise to everyone who participated. We'll take hand imprints of everyone who showed up in the end and show a message that we are all the same despite our differences. All the money collected from this event would go to charity for underprivileged people diagnosed with diabetes who can't afford to buy insulin pumps. Apart from this, we'll try to do targeted branding at doctors' clinics, especially for diabetes, poster in schools and children park, and pamphlet in newspapers explaining about the marathon and the difficulty and experience faced by the children, and share them on our social media handles. The outcome that we expect from this strategy is decreasing case of bullying among children, increasing awareness about the situation that they face in front of their peers and in mental health and growth of a child, increase in sales of our Pocket Hero, and increase in funding for diabetic kid communities who can't afford these goods. And we'll also try to launch it as a new fashion for all the other kids who do not suffer from diabetes.